me dey Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8 mo ye too much na me so me ye am fire.
Too much HFD so ekes kapa enemy na gano wahala dwumedi na ebre asosemede ebeson semede ekra edb eba enu ntimedi just dey na chese ensem ya bone bede semanpo hene abomu ye bebiebie mu ye ne ya pensem nyina ne poma sibrena ebusuafo ye bora ensem ne emu ye Ghanaian uncover journalist Anas Aremeyaw Anas eneden wode kokobone entrene kase amagana politicians Anas ye wo momotina mrahye bedefie eni ebiemu so wo momudi amanyoko dudo na echi wo munyan sadane da wo mo threaten journalist wo mu dwumedi a wo mu edie no na wo hwie no anso ho a na call for protection na ebiem so justice de ema journalist na ebusia ye nua be ma ye papa Anas Aremeyaw Anas according to nsem ode to edwa na sem one no de ma politicians no wo chiremu a wo motra etna fidie so etna chese TV so obehu na wo journalist we ya no mo threaten no wan hwe ya say de we wu obewu said one she ya do abrabo to nsanye mu ase like omomma kasa bia wo dwen ho a wonti ase later wo be wan se nipa no ya de bia bona na ase wo be wan se tet na ya te no e de afiri bia se emu na ebusua wo de nsem no etu edwa na jeso wo bon kofo be mienu miensa bi edian wo ma receive threat e de afiri nkofo a wo mu eni wo mu ehum Manase Azuri mu beka ono so de the complaint betu edwa ye nua ba vim lady efia poka ono so e de nsem betu dwa ono krampo de no wo shai say wo wu ko ba bi krampo nya de se journalist krampo eduma wo hu a wo beti na ni e de ahwem na ebim so ye papa Captain Smart na Edward Adete na ebusuafo wo de nsem no etu edwa na press release a wo de eba na mame kwan na menkenkan ebi emfa emamu press no say na ete o say Tiger IPI stands in solidarity to media colleagues in demanding protection and justice for Manasseh Azuri Awuni, Edward Adete, Efia Pokia, Captain Smart, Abdul Hayib, Mumun, David Tamaklu, and others who have either been threatened with death or violence and or intimidation. These acts marks of barbarism and backwardness. They are disturbing and have to be condemned. Anonymous and open threats, when not dealt with, breed impurity in our society. Ahmed Hussein Swali was openly threatened by a lawmaker and nothing happened. The next move was his murder. It is a terrible thing to practice journalism under conditions such as these, and it is even dangerous when nothing is done and the perpetrators get to carry out their threat. The murder of Ahmed Swali is still fresh in the minds of all the journalists and sympathizers in this country. Never again should any journalist suffer the horrible experience of Ahmed Swali. No journalist in the country can survive the bullets of these assassinates if ever they become targets. Assassinates appear to be highly skillful, tactful, and master of the trade. Swali murders shot him at close range on his neck and twice at his chest while driving home. Swali could not even have a second to turn on his body cam. He simply lost control over his body. His murder pursued him and then shot him twice in the chest and at a close range. This is how good contract killers are at their job, and therefore they must be tracked and apprehended whenever they threaten anybody with death messages. Tiger IPI calls on the government to condemn these threats and careless utterances be in form of a lawmaker, a government official, or opposition group in the strongest term yet. The security agencies must proactively investigate the source of the threatened and arrest the criminals. The security agencies should not be seen or be used as perpetuate any such attacks or intimidation. Finally, we appeal to the National Media Commission and Ghana Journalists Association to do more, particularly in engaging political parties and journalists who pursue public interest journalism. Signed, Anas Aremeyaw. Anas na ebusia for nensema wode etu eye eja enono say no empenifo enhwe na womo a obi owo abemu so ye politician so ye government official so ye den lawmaker emfa won na asema wo beka the moment ye be hu threat ewo mu enko a edie e wo say womo ensori waka na ne womo enye de entwimben se nipa no na womo hu botaye ne adwen kura e tie de wo ka no achi because ameswale dem o nipa ne kan ye lawmaker wo kan ya wo born ntirani ewie ye no ye hu hwibi de hu ya ne se wo wu a che se enkrofo no aboni to wo ne konwo ne bosom a o kire mu a according to eye Anas Aremeyaw Anas che se this contract killers no enya de se wo ye we are one more target. Ubetimi go scot free. Ubetimi go scot free. Dan womu make sure say womu jume de dia show monsa wo maji musika no. Womu be di ne Frenchin. Enti eba ne sa na wo journalist no e na chese wo ho akwakoka eye adwam. Enti womu de wo ma de sede e to mpanifo anim. Say no womu mfa ho bambo bi ana hihye bi ento wonfa ma journalist a wo di juma na ne obi threaten say nipa ne pe. Yempe security personnel sa won be boss nipa ne ho eden. Eba ya na say yen twen say yen try to obi ansane ape. Obi abone ho by the moment nipa ne be stand out. So we journalists and centrally nkwade e was say yempe obi empo say nipa ne ho by because ne life e dance yem all because of ye pepe ye ne nyom e koso wo menmu a o pese obeda na die no entin na ebusuafo de ne nsem no etu dwa dodo na susu say ye ne kwan so a eno no de ye Anas Aremeyaw Anas e kan sempelifo be hwa to anamo e wo ho a ebetimi abo ebinom so e ka say ende ye profession opa na wo ye the woody source obi ye lawyer wo oye ne law no na je say wo no a make enyom ebetimi aboa no na ye den abo ne ho ba nyem pelifo na bo eye wo mo ho e ba nti se wo so fa to so be journalist dia na ne wa wo so apon krofo a wo mo ebe bo ho e ba se de adwenche no e ko no woni wo mo kasa ne ya adwen anasa woni wo mo nya adwen de abusua meto e de e mam se fo adwenche wo fa ensemi ho ebe to edwa e wo too much in comment section like the videos na share e wo all the social media platform eso meaning e de ekwesi kapa dasene ye besane share makram.
Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
The major prophet kum chacha. On se me catch was say, Bomaden too much GH. On se me kan ye nyane. Bonne pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat one. Na bomaden na behwe too much GH. Behwe na subscribe. Bomaden o behwe pe na wa ye subscribe. O subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Aremeyaw. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.